jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. So what a stage for the players to take to here ahead of such an important game. And if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. Conti gets it forward. Keller looks to get on the end of this. Has a hit! That's a half-decent try.
Keller certainly could have and should have made more of that.
There's a long ball. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Martinez hits it! He's delivered all right! And he's off the mark. Goal, lovely first touch, sumptuous second. Liverpool take the lead.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again.
Hardly anything between the sides, and it's 1-0. Recate. It's got through to him, and he should go in for goal! He has done it! All too easy! They are in danger of disappearing out of sight!
Thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
Liverpool get themselves a 2-goal cushion.
No doubt as to who has the momentum here now. The only doubt is how many is coming.
He's through. He found his man. Now it's Kuchka. Perisic battles to win it back. Ball through needs to be good here. Gets away from his opponent, plays it back. Steers it out of harm's way. Davis gets it back, doesn't get the pass he's looking for. That's not going to make it. Looking to break out here. Now it's Kuchka. Cut out in the nick of time. Goalkeeper. It's going to be the final action of the first half. It's the first half compared with your expectations.
Oh, they had their opponents leading in that half, Peter, and the big game needs to change somehow, but they're holding to it.
Liverpool sitting pretty here at half-time, 2-0 up. That gets things going for the second half. Perisic. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Played in with accuracy. He's picked him out. Riccardi. Palmer have it back and they can go again. And here's Gervinho. It's Gervinho! Perisic. Perisic drives it forward. Martinez. Cristiano Ronaldo. And the shots! They are rampant! And they are cruising away. Simplicity itself. Yeah, and all engineered, Peter, by some smart running and movement. That's already something to admire, but how about the pass? Just wonderful. Loved it. 3 without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Pella looks to get on the end of this. Kuczka. Perisic gets it back. Driving on now. What can they conjure from here? Ball through needs to be good here. He's off on a move. Has a hit! Results no longer in doubt. It's just about how many. And looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning breakaway. Snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball. This is one of the best performances I've seen in a while. He's practically taken on this team single-handedly. They don't know how to stop him. Liverpool tear their opponents apart once again. They are utterly ruthless.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Pella! And he's missed it. Here. Good running with the ball. Can they build on it? Tries to get it forward quickly. Big chance! Away from immediate danger. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
Now it's Pella. Needless to say, he was expecting a better ball than that. And the counter is on. Gervinho is onto it and can take it up. He's had a goal! Best in the keeper. Hoists it forward, and time is up. Liverpool a class apart.